so much for taking us through the tour. My first question is, what is the impact of this change to your bottom line? That's the first one. So far, what are the reflections that you're getting? Number two, we now talk about the data sovereignty in terms of newsroom. What measures have you put in place as Zimpapers to ensure that the data that you're producing is not fed on by AI tools?
All right, those are a good questions. Number one, in terms of the bottom line, I think we are in the 6th month running this, right? We are seeing the gains, right? But digital products by their nature are very cheap. You get it? They are very cheap, they're not expensive. So we also have our own quarrels here. I'm saying let's go digital. Someone will be saying, but you are cannibalizing my money. You get it? So those fights are there. Digital growth, I think it's slow. It's not as fast as we want it to be. But the good thing, it is the future. Therefore, we cannot say, it's slow, so we can't do it right now. Actually, we were late, right? We were 10, 15 years behind. We were late. But it's also a good time to do it. So we are seeing value in it. And also, readers themselves, some are used to legacy media. 90% of our revenue right now is coming from legacy media. So you can't run away from that fact. That's why I'm saying it's slow. However, we can't wait until we are on zero. The world over, big media houses are closing shop in terms of their print media. I think we know what happened down south, right? So it's better to change, it's better to act now before we reach a point of no return. Are we together? In terms of AI, yes, we've got a policy, we are very careful. The nature of the institution itself does not really allow 100% AI. You know what I mean? AI is about machine learning, right? Garbage in and garbage out. Are we together? So if data is input into the machines, we can't rely 100% on that data. So we are saying